Hey guys, I am here today with an unboxing. It's been a very long time since I've done a subscription box, and today is really exciting because this one is one that I was able to customize myself. This box is Fabfitfun's Spring 2023 box, and while I open up this box, I'm gonna give you the rundown on exactly what Fabfitfun is. Fabfitfun is a customizable seasonal box with full-size beauty, fashion, fitness, and home products sent to you once per season. With their boxes, you can shop hundreds of products from top brands at up to 70% off. Many of the products you're able to choose from are from female-founded companies. I have the seasonal box, and if you use my code JOY20, you can receive 20% off your first box, which will give you the price of $47.99. Every season, Fabfitfun offers you the best in beauty, home, fashion, and more. So you're able to pick and choose whatever works for you and your lifestyle. Unlike other subscription boxes, this one's cool because, like I said before, you can customize it yourself. So the things in here, I believe I chose all of them. I'm not too sure. And honestly, I don't even remember. And you know what? Something that kind of irritates me and why I don't often get subscription boxes is because a lot of the things inside of it I don't really use. So I'm going to challenge myself with this box and see if I can use everything that is in here. And if I can't personally use it, if I can't think of someone that I specifically want to gift this to, then it's not worth it for me. But I'm hoping that, because especially since I was able to customize it, that I can find some kind of use for everything in this box. So let's start with this one. Okay, oh, it's a barefoot scientist, y'all. Because of country old me, as a little girl, I was always outside without shoes on.
Shame on you!
The bottom of my feet can get pretty rough, so I have a pumice stone that I use in the shower a few times a week, and so I just really wanted to try this smooth things over pedicure file. I'm definitely going to be putting this to use. This is a heel treatment. Oh, okay, so this is another foot thing, I think. But then it also says hands, feet, and body. So I will be applying this to my feet after I use that foot file. Let me go ahead and try it out right now, if I can get this seal off. Oh my goodness. Well, at least I know it's fresh, y'all. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells just like a spa. It's really creamy. Look at that. Oh, that is going to be nice on my heels. After I use that file, I'm gonna put this on and put some socks on just to make sure that my feet are all nice and soft. But this feels really good on my hands. It's gonna feel amazing on my feet. Next is Honest Mascara. This is an extreme length mascara and lash primer, double up on length. I really hate that I put mascara on because, y'all, I really don't do much makeup. I don't use foundation, concealer, all that stuff. My eyebrows are hideous all the time, so I do kind of fix those up with a little bit of pencil. I line my lips and I put a little gloss on, and I do love mascara. So I'm going to definitely use this and let y'all know what I think. So far, I'm 3 out of 3. I chose some really good things, y'all. Ooh, what's this? Kate Spade. Another really cool thing about this subscription box is that it's a mixture of like fitness, body, bath, everyday living. So what I did was just customize my box, I'm assuming with things that I needed, because I'm loving everything. Ooh, y'all. Okay, these are cute. So something else about me is that I had LASIK, and ever since then, I really need to wear sunglasses when I'm outside. So these are gonna be real cute. Ooh. Girl, okay. Okay, you can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna keep these on. Actually, I'm gonna take them off because y'all probably can't trust me with them on. Ooh, something else. This is Too Faced Perfection in One Stroke. 24-hour non-fading, waterproof, flake-proof, non-smudging, blah, 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 blah. This is an eyeliner, and so I am looking forward to trying this as well. Something else in a bag. Fancy. Vince Camuto. This is, if I remember correctly, a necklace. Oh, she's pretty. I used to be someone who only wore silver, but ever since like the rose gold trend came out, I love gold accessories now. Okay, so it has this little charm on the back. sure there's a purpose for it. So if you know what the reason for this cute little back is, maybe it's just an extra decoration, I don't know. But I like to wear my necklaces on the shortest length. What do y'all think? Y'all like it? Yeah, I like it. It's cute. We are down to the last item, the lounge set. One top and a pair of shorts. So I got this in a small medium. Let's go ahead and put this on. Now this is the cute little loungewear set. Okay, it's really nice. And I do have on an undershirt, not showing my stomach. Very comfortable, very soft. I think I can wear this shirt as a regular shirt, like with jeans. I can like tuck this in a little bit, and it's just like a really cute little spring number. Y'all see that? Very simple. And then my necklace just sits right in there. That's everything I got. If you have tried Fabfitfun, make sure you let me know down below. Y'all, one of these items pays for the subscription box itself. Make sure you look into Fabfitfun. I do have a coupon code for y'all to get 20% off. So make sure you use this code right here. The next box that will be available, of course, after spring is summer. So you might be able to snag you some summer things. And again, you pick what you want. So I think that's the coolest thing about this box. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.